Hi everyone, my name's Kira and welcome to my channel. This is the first official video that I'm going to be posting, and we're starting it off with a challenge that I've set myself for this year. So I'm quite a creative person and I love my arts and crafts, but I found that last year I was struggling to find the time to make these items that I love doing so much. And in November I was thinking, you know what, in the new year I'm going to do something new every month. I'm going to make something new and document the journey over the next 12 months and show that it is possible whilst having a busy life. You've got to create time to create things, and that's the way forward that I'm going to try and live my life and update at the end of the month with a video to show what I've created. I am doing cross stitching and I'm very close to finishing it. And tomorrow I am going to record the final result, and it's going to be a challenge, like trying to set myself a goal for the end of the month, but especially with doing something new as well. So this month is cross stitching, and obviously it's just been Christmas and I was gifted a cross stitching set of a deer, and I was like, you know what, this will be the first thing that I'll do, something out of my comfort zone. And honestly, I have loved it so much. I've spent my evenings after work cross-stitching or a little bit of time at the weekends, and it's just so therapeutic, and I'll definitely do it again. But yes, I am going to finish it off tomorrow and you'll come and see it. Today's the day to finish the cross-stitch, but we're going to go out into the wilderness and finish it. That's my goal, to go out in nature, force myself out there and finish the project. I feel like it's a two birds one stone thing, where I'm actually getting out in nature. That was another goal of mine, and finishing the project. Like, what else could you ask for? Finishing a project in a beautiful place. So this is the craft table, which has maybe taken forever for each got my apprentice today. I'm actually jealous, but there's no room in my little trolley. It works. need an off-roading trolley with big wheels. I'm sure I've seen other people with big wheels.
Yeah, you can get off-roaders, they're quite expensive though.
It'll be my next investment. So.
I want to have one.
Hopefully.
I don't know if it was a friend or she had one. Sorry, I'm talking everything.
It's fine, you're going to be included.
Okay. Sound like a very big neck. I'm going to get...
You go there. So relaxing, like really peaceful. Just hearing the river and the waterfall. Amazing. Most of the cross stitching after work and literally just finishing the outlines and then it's done. And that's the first one done. So cold that even the caramel's like quite hard. Usually it's like gloopy and it's just hard. add some